So here we are. I take my straight edger, I use the wire as a guide, put it in about 45 degrees and push it in, and then lift up the turf and then move on, do the same again, and once you get into the rhythm it doesn't actually take too long. So moving all the way along, and each time lift up the turf. So normally I would do about 2 meters of this at a time and then move on to the next one. And the reason for doing that is to make sure that the wire, that kind of is to make sure that doing one part of the wire doesn't pull the next part out. So we've got the groove cut, and now what we can do is with the end of the paintbrush just push it in and just work your way along and just keep on pushing it in all the way. So as you go along you can easily push it into the groove, and then every couple of feet or so just press it down and then carry on moving along. And then go back along it and just press it all down. So as you can see there, wire's under the ground, it's not visible, and it's nicely tucked out the way.